Hello everyone. Welcome back to MPcodes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created a YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT for free and without using any design tools like Photoshop or Canva. Open ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and simply ask it to create a YouTube thumbnail design for your video. In my case, I ask, generate a YouTube thumbnail for a video titled Top AI Tools for Coding in 2025. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT gave me a ready-to-use thumbnail concept. ChatGPT can now generate images. I told it to turn that design into a real thumbnail. It created a high-quality PNG image with a bold title on the left. AI tool, logos like GitHub Copilot and Tab 9 on the right. A clean blue coding background, and attention-grabbing colors like yellow and red. It looked perfect. No editing needed. Download the thumbnail. Once the image was ready, I downloaded the thumbnail directly in PNG format. It was clear, high resolution, and ready to upload to YouTube. You can use this for videos, shorts, or even live streams. That's it. With zero editing skills required. This is perfect if you want to save time and still look professional.